Hi lovely ladies, and today's makeup inspo is a very sexy cut crease with a little bit of sparkle. So once I get my hair out of the way, we can start this tutorial. Make sure that your skin is nice and moisturized, and then we'll start with the eyebrows. This is my favorite eyebrow kit to use, and I'm going to use a angled brush like this one from Morphe. I like to use the smallest amount of product and blend it up and out. Now that the eyebrows are so perfect, let's move on with a clear mascara. I like to use this on the eyebrows just to keep all the hairs in place, and I smooth out the edges. Next is eyeshadow primer, which is very important when you are doing an eyeshadow look. It's just going to make sure that your eyeshadows last so much longer and that the colors are more vibrant. The first color is a very light peachy pink. This is just to warm up my eyelids and just make them kind of look a little bit more alive. I'm bringing this all the way up to my eyebrow. The next, we're going in with a darker shade, and this is how we're just going to build the drama slowly but surely. And then an even darker shade, using this in the crease and in the corner of my eye, making sure they are both even. Next, we're going for a chocolate brown, and I am drawing my crease line, and I'm going a little bit above my natural crease. Because of a cut crease, you want to make sure that that is a little bit higher than what you would usually draw it. Next, I'm going in with a orange. This is just to buff that very dark line and just add a little bit of warmth to the eye. Then some concealer, and we're going to blend that on the eyelid to create our cut crease. And that is how it looks. Next, we're just going to set that with a powder. And then we're going to add some sparkle. This is a holographic glitter sparkle from Essence, and I'm just going to place it under the dark line and slowly just drizzle the sparkle downwards onto the lid. And we're going to add some more glitter. This is a little bit of a warmer shade, just to make it sparkle a little bit different. I like using different kind of glitters, sizes and colors. This just makes the look just a little bit more special and super glam. Next, I'm going in with a light shade on the brow bone, putting it only on the smallest, most upward part of the brow bone. Now it's for that beautiful eyeliner flick, and this is the very essential step for this look. I am bringing that line also a little bit longer than I usually would, just to make sure that this look is super drama and sexy. And there you go. They are pretty much equal. And then I'm just going in with a black eyeliner on the inside of my top lash line, just to make sure that that is dark. And I'm just going to also put it in the corner of my eye, and then mascara. Now I'm going to put on a skin illuminator just to make my skin look young and fresh. This is obviously a step that I don't always do, but because we're going full glam, I just love the way that it makes my skin look younger and more bright and light. And I'm going to add extra highlighter on the places that I want to exaggerate that, like on the top of my cheekbones. And I'm using my beauty sponge because I want to make sure that it's not too potent. Next is a foundation. And then on the areas where I feel I need more coverage, I'll just go back in with a brush and then just add and build that layer. Next is our concealer. And I'll just set that with some powder. And bronzer, my favorites. I feel that I'm super pale if I don't have any bronzer on. So this is a key step that I cannot live without. So I'm just buffing that bronzer all over my face to give me that healthy glow. And of course blush. This is a beautiful peach color. And of course, some more highlighter. And I'm just going to take that glitter I put on my eyes and dab that onto the highlighter just to be extra. Especially a fun look for the evening. Next, I'm going in with a warm brown on the lower lash line and just smoking that out. And some mascara. And there you go, this is how it looks without any lashes, but because we're already going this far, let's add some just to make sure this look just looks as perfect and beautiful as it can be. Just popping on those lashes. Easier said than done. And there you go. Next, to finish this look off with some beautiful vibrant red lips. And I feel that we are missing something on the lips, so I'm just going to add this pink glitter on top of it. And there you go, a very sexy, super glam look. Thank you girls for watching. I'll see you guys very soon.